Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create data extension in Salesforce Marketing Cloud. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, make sure that you have the Marketing Cloud enabled in your organization and see that your account has the feature of the Marketing Cloud. After that, you will need just to access your Marketing Cloud, and basically in this video, we are just going to see this article on how to create the data extension. So there are two ways to do it, either with the Email Studio or the Contact Builder. So make sure that you are in email, and after that, you will need to go to subscribers, and then you can see the choice of data extension there. After that, we will need just to go to the data extension, and you will see the data extension as follow, and make sure that you are in the data extension, and then you will need to go and click on create. By clicking on create, you will have this pop-up that will show up, and from here you will need just to add all the informations for your data extension, and those are the data retention policy. You will need just to use uh, you can click on and then next and add the fields that you want to have in your data extension, and after that you can create them. So basically you can just give them name, data types, etc., and click create, and now you will have your data extension that has been successfully created. Another way to do it is just to click to go to the contact builder, and then you can find this screen. So basically, after going to the audience builder, which is the contact builder, you will find all the screen here, and simply you will need to take you to the data extension, and then you will do the same operations as before. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.